House Trucking. Here I am outside the truck, about ready to do my pre-trip. And I just realized I haven't mentioned this on my videos yet. There's another thing that's going to affect truckers. It's going to affect farmers or anyone with diesel engines. There's going to be a major shortage. It's already happening, but it's going to get worse. What could this shortage be, you wonder? Cue the intro, and I'll show you. This right here is what there's going to be a major shortage on. Try to get it focused. I'm a hair low, but not enough to add yet. Alright, but I just checked the dipstick. I'm just a hair low. I'll be damned. That was a thing on TikTok saying that was a funnel right there on the X15s. Sure as crap it is. I thought it was a joke. I notice this is open. That don't need to be open. This is a little less than half a gallon. This is what there's a shortage of. Motor oil. I saw this. People on TikTok said it was a funnel. I didn't believe it. Right there. Is what there's a shortage of. Kenworth T680 was built in 2019. There's the oil and the dipstick. I just had to put windshield washer fluid in. Fuel filter. Let me walk around the truck real quick. So yes, that is right. There is going to be an oil shortage for semi-trucks, farm trucks. There's only two companies that do the additives for the 1540 to 1530 diesel additives. There's only two companies that do it. One is Shell, and I forget who the other one is. And both of them stopped production because they were redoing their refineries and stuff like that. I'm going to show a couple stories I found about the shortage. So let me show you these. Okay, you might be wanting to ask, how much oil does a semi-truck hold? Anywhere between 12 and 15 gallons. Some drivers and companies change oils every 15,000 miles. Some up to 50,000 miles. There's a first service. PM, preventative maintenance. It all depends on the company, what kind of oil they run, synthetic or not. But there's only 2 companies that do the additives for diesel engines. So what diesel engines are going to be affected? All semi-trucks. Farm tractors run same oil as big trucks. And the cars and pickups run the same oil. They're predicting we're going to be out of oil for big trucks and farm tractors and stuff by July. And it's now June 8th. Yeah, June 8th. And we're going to be out of oil, motor oil, real soon. Are you stocking up? As you saw, I just put about a half a gallon in this truck right here. And there goes my reefer just fired up. I don't know how many gallons a reefer holds. Probably a couple gallons, I'm guessing. So, if you're not worried, you need to be worried. How's these trucks going to go up and down the road with no oil? If you prolong oil changes, it does damage to your engine. Like I said, some companies are 15,000 mile oil change, and some are up to 50, 60,000. It all depends what the company prefers. So, if you're not worried about oil, if you're a fleet, if you own your own truck, I know my buddy told me about 2 months ago he was having trouble finding Mobil Delvac oil at some of his wholesalers. Now I know why. There's going to be an oil shortage. Motor oil shortage. So this is just a warning. If you can find it, I'd start buying it, because it's going to run out pretty quick. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them below. Are you having trouble finding motor oil? What kind of motor oil do you run? I have a couple different brand bottles back there. It was in the truck when I got it, and they fill them up when we go to a yard and ask for it a service, because they got them, they probably buy it. They have big tanks full of oil, and they just fill out those little bottles. It's the first time I put oil in this truck. And it was just right at the add line, but I went ahead and put about a half a gallon in. So luckily this truck don't use oil. There's a lot of trucks that do. And this is just a fair warning to everyone. Motor oil shortage for semi-trucks is happening. I don't know if it's going to happen for cars. Luckily my diesel car, my Jetta, it only gets an oil change once a year. They're saying by January the shortage should be over. I get the oil change about once a year in a Volkswagen, because it sits at the house or at the yard most of the time. Another thing we have to worry about now. First, finding fuel. Used to be toilet paper. Now it's finding baby formula or finding motor oil. So, hope this helps. Hope this is a little eye-opening to some people. Motor oil shortage coming near you. What will be next? They're also predicting a chicken shortage again. I saw. So stock up if you can. If you got the freezer space, stock up. Catch you next time. Follow me on all social media: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, under Rouse Trucking. Are you having trouble finding? Leave comments below. I'll talk to you next time.